Hi everyone, summer is here in Turkey. It means I can find easily strawberry here. So let's make the strawberry jam, shall we? Okay guys, let's start it ya. I'm using only 400 grams of strawberry, clean, wash, and then cut the green part of the strawberry, pouring 300 grams of sugar at the surface, make it even, and we will put the strawberry at the refrigerator overnight with the close like this. Now put on the fridge and then leaving overnight. And the next day we can take out the strawberry from the fridge, and it will be a bit moist because we leave it overnight at the fridge, and this is good for the next process guys, like this. And then prepare a fire, a medium fire. We put the pan on the fire and use only few small of water. I'm only using 50 milliliter waters, or actually not necessary. If you want to using without no water, it's okay, because it's will be easier moist and watering from the strawberry itself. Mix well, and you have to using a spoon from wood, because it will be easier to process and it will be not sticky. Now when the foaming occur, clean it as much as you can take out from the surface, because it's not really good if we leave it on the process. Take out as much as you can, and then from half of lemon, squeeze it and put the water of a lemon juice on the strawberry jam. Keep a mix and a stirring. Now you can check the texture, is it okay or not, by using like this. Put small amount of the jam on the small plate. We can check by using our finger like this. You can check the texture. If it already sticky, it's ready. Don't make it too hard or too solid, because after we put on the freeze before we use, it can be too hard to consume. Okay guys, this is ready, our strawberry jam. After we take out from stove, directly we can put the strawberry jam on the jar. Before we put on the fridge, make it cold, and then next day or after it's cold, we can directly use the strawberry guys. Back ready. Thanks for watching guys. I'll see you soon on the next my video. Bye bye.